What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Valorant to your Steam library. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam. Then you will see this first official website of Steam. Click on this website and after that you will be redirected to the dashboard of Steam wherein on the right side here you will see the option of login. So login or sign up and after that you will see the option to install Steam. Click on this and install the Steam application. Now, after installing the Steam application, here on the right side at the home page, there is a search bar. Click on it once and then search for Valorant. But if you can't see the Valorant game here, you need to add it from the outside, like from your computer storage. So basically, you need to import Valorant to your Steam. So to import Valorant, you need to go to the library section and then click on Home. And now from here at the bottom of the left side, you need to click on add a game. And from here, click on add a non-Steam game. And from here, all of the locations of your computer will, and all the files of your computer will open. From here, search for Valorant and then just simply select it. When you find Valorant, check this checkbox and click on add selected programs to import your Valorant to your Steam library. So this is how you can import your Valorant Steam to Steam library. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.